Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn your drill into a cleaning tool. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right over here, I have my drill, and obviously drills are used for like construction and building related things, but you can actually use them as cleaning tools, and I have used this drill as a cleaning tool many times. And one thing that I use that allows that to happen is this little brush over here. This is a very simple, it's like a drill brush. I know I have two of them, so I believe it came in a pack of two. Okay, might have come with more of them, but I know I use two of them regularly, and I have two of them that are on my shelf that I sort of pick off when I need them. So yeah, I believe it came with two of them, and it's just a cleaning brush, and this one has like harsher materials. So for this, I use this like for outdoor stuff, things that can take, the harsher materials. So things like patio chairs, some of my kids' outdoor toys. We have a swing set in the backyard. So like the plastic parts of the swing set, very like the outdoor table, stuff like that. I even use it to clean like some of the concrete, veranda, patio, whatever you want to call it, and I even use it to clean like the mats in the car, stuff like that. And what you do is you take it, and it has an end over here, and this goes inside of the drill like that, and then you just attach, you tighten the chuck around it. Very simple, okay, just like that. And then you can put like a cleaning solution. I'll spray a cleaning solution wherever I want to work, and then I'll use this, and it'll be a little bit damp because it's touching the cleaning solution, and I'll just use the drill and I'll just spin it, and I'll clean whatever I'm going to clean, and it takes out the elbow grease, it takes out the actual physical work, and it cleans stuff really well. So this is just one example of what you can do. This is one brush. There are so many other tools that will attach to your drill that will allow you to clean stuff. Now, I will say this, whatever material it is, make sure whatever you're cleaning can handle that material. This is a harsher material, so I wouldn't go clean something delicate with this because this might scratch it up. But like harsher stuff, like concrete, outdoor furniture, stuff like that, stuff that's like already, with nature's elements, I'll use this to clean that stuff. And it works really well. I've been able to clean lots of stuff. I did my laundry room tub. We have like an older style, like plastic laundry room tub. I don't know, it's like a plastic type of material. I cleaned my laundry room tub with this. It worked really well. I cleaned lots of stuff with this over the years, and it works really well. But like I said, make sure whatever you are using it on, can handle the materials. I'm trying to think of what else I cleaned. I already said, I cleaned the laundry room tub, I cleaned the outdoor furniture, my kids' toys, I cleaned like on the swing set, the plastic pieces, I cleaned the veranda, the concrete stuff. Oh, I've cleaned pavers with this. I've cleaned my railing with this, like my outdoor metal railing with this. So like you can just try it on anything. And obviously, like I said, just make sure whatever cleaning tool you get, whatever you're cleaning, can handle that actual material of what the cleaning tool is made of. And yeah, it's really easy to do, but you can turn your drill into a cleaning tool, and you can basically clean stuff using your drill. It's really easy to do. All you gotta do is find the right attachments for, your drill, in terms of cleaning attachments. And that's it. It works really well, as you can see. Super easy. It just works really well, really easy to use. And that's basically it. I just wanted to share this sort of thought and idea with you in this video, and sort of share this attachment with you in this video. And hopefully you enjoyed it. I've got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.